Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We've got to go to work for a little bit. We're gonna be demoing some concrete with my boss's excavator and putting in rock. We actually just poured a stamped patio for a customer, like 20 yards, and we screwed up. We didn't like how it turned out. So today we gotta tear it all out. So that's where we're going right now. Done. Finally back from work. I've been waiting to show you guys this surprise. It's not 4 wheels. I'm not getting that project anymore, or I'm probably just gonna wait a little bit because I ended up selling my other pit bike that I had to get another one. So here it is. I picked up a 2023 CRF110 Honda. Never had one before. As you guys know, I had the KLX, so a Kawasaki. It's a little different than the KLX. I'll show you guys. So there's a key, there's a gas light, check engine light, I'm guessing just for the throttle body for the fuel injection. But I got one of these because I had a future build in mind. I didn't really with the KLX because it was just kind of an impulse buy because I really wanted to get one. But with these Hondas, I mean, there's tons of things you can do. They make universal swing arm kits. Like, it's crazy. So I already bought a rear shock for it. Already bought front springs, dampening rods, spacers. I still got to get bars. I got a taller seat, pegs. So this thing does sit a little low, a lot lower than the KLXs, but all the parts I ordered to literally today will make it a lot higher. So I'm gonna start this thing up for you guys. So the KLX, the electric start was broken, but with this, just push of a button. But it has like a automatic like choke when you first start it up. That's why it kind of got a little quieter, which is pretty cool. I kind of got to break it in still a little bit, but I was planning on just today. I bought some grips because these things suck. These ones right here. So I got some ODIs, the lock-ons. I was going to use these for the other pit bike, but I might just give them to my cousin because he's the one who's got it. So I'm not putting the grips on today. I got to get a different kind of adapter thing for the throttle. And turns out these are for obviously ATVs, not dirt bikes. So I'm an idiot. So these are pretty much useless. I don't know what I'm doing with those. But, so I was just gonna put these on, but I don't have the right adapter. I gotta fix this, the clutch. As you can see, it's not supposed to be like that. But I'm gonna get this thing loaded up in my truck. And then we are going to my cousin's house tonight. We're gonna bring the pitter. Tomorrow I think we're gonna go to Riverdale. So I'll get a chance to break this thing in and you guys will see that footage for tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse of my work. I try and put some work in, as well as like what I do after work, and obviously I don't buy pit bikes every day after work, but this was just a special occasion because I needed one. So 2023 Honda CRF110F. See you guys tomorrow. Yo, good morning everyone. It's the next day. Got the pit bikes loaded up. My Honda Cowie.
Good ride. I needed them, 240 pounds.
Yeah, dude, you're fucking fast.
I know, something right here, so I'm not like taking off.
Yeah, you gotta take those things off.
Dude, that little double right there is super sketchy though. It kicks you. I saw you about eating shit on it. I just left it right out of my head. I did it like twice and it's kind of sketchy.
Is that all stock?
Yeah, it ain't killing jacket, so no, well, I got mine. What's that? Ain't killing jacket, so yeah. Whole body. Then that sand. Yeah, you gotta keep the momentum up for sure. A little fork seals are blowing out, but.
How long have you had it?
Oh, it's actually my brother's, but for 6 months.
Yeah, I just bought this thing. I'm hoping I don't blow it up.
No, them just don't blow up and don't get oil. Yeah, they're pretty much indestructible. We have a 13 one.
What is up? Dude, this thing's sweet. I love this thing. Except I need a skid plate. It's a fat rock almost cracked my block, but we're gonna go see Tyler and Ryan. I'm gonna hit this fat. Leaving, and we out, heading out.